Hey everyone, and welcome to English Level Up. Does introducing yourself in English make you feel a bit nervous? Like your mind suddenly goes blank? Don't worry, you are not alone. Many English learners feel shy or just don't know what to say. But by the end of this video, you will have a super simple trick that will make you feel confident and sound natural every single time you meet someone new. Introducing yourself is your first impression. Whether it's for a job interview, a new class, or just making friends, getting it right is so important. So, how do you do it without feeling awkward? The secret is a simple, three-part formula: present, past, and future. Trust me, this method will change how you introduce yourself forever. It helps you sound clear, confident, and fluent in any situation. Ready to learn? Let's dive in. Let's start with part 1, the present. This is where you talk about who you are right now. Super easy. Just share your name, where you live, and what you do. For example, you could say, "Hi, my name is Anna. I live in Auckland, and I work as a barista." Or maybe, "Hello, I'm Daniel. I'm from Wellington, and I'm studying early childhood education." This part is short and sweet, but it gives the listener a quick snapshot of who you are today. It's the perfect starting point. Now, let's move on to part 2, the past. This is where you add a little bit of your story. It helps people get to know you on a deeper level. You can talk about where you're originally from or what you've done before. For example, you might say, "I'm originally from Mexico, and before coming here, I worked in a hotel as a receptionist." Or, "I grew up in Christchurch, and I studied business at university." Sharing a little bit about your past makes your introduction more memorable and helps people connect with your journey. It shows where you've come from. Next up, we have part 3, the future. This is my favorite part because it's your chance to share your passions and dreams. What are your goals? What do you love doing? For instance, you could say, "In the future, I'd like to open my own cafe." Or, "I'm planning to continue studying English to become more fluent." You can also share your hobbies, like, "In my free time, I enjoy hiking and photography." This makes you sound so much more like a real, interesting person, not just a name with a job. It shows people where you're going. So, let's put it all together. Remember our 3 parts: present, past, and future. Here's how Anna's full introduction sounds. "Hi, my name is Anna. I live in Auckland, and I work as a barista. I'm originally from Mexico, and before moving here, I worked in a hotel as a receptionist. In the future, I'd love to open my own cafe and create a relaxing place for people to enjoy coffee." Do you see how that works? In just a few sentences, she shared who she is, where she's from, and what she hopes for. It sounds so natural, confident, and complete, doesn't it? This 3-part structure is a game changer because it works everywhere. You can use it in a formal business meeting, in a new classroom, or even just chatting with someone at a party. It gives you a simple framework, so you never have to guess what to say next. The present shows who you are now, the past explains your background, and the future shares your dreams. Together, they create a powerful and personal story about you. Now, it's your turn to try. Grab a piece of paper or open a note on your phone. First, write 1 or 2 sentences for your present: your name, where you are, and what you do. Second, write about your past, where you're from, and maybe a past job or study experience. And third, write about your future, a goal you have or a hobby you love. Once you have it written down, practice saying it out loud. Seriously, stand in front of a mirror or record a voice memo on your phone. The more you practice, the more confident and natural you will feel. Remember, A great self-introduction is the key to starting a great conversation. It doesn't have to be perfect. The goal is to be clear, friendly, and confident. By using the present, past, and future formula, you'll always have something meaningful to say. So keep practicing, keep learning, and keep leveling up your English. You are doing an amazing job. If you found this lesson helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up. Share it with a friend who might need it. And don't forget to subscribe to English Level Up for more easy and fun lessons. Let's keep growing and learning together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.